the Compassionate Geek Podcast with Don Crowley. Now, here's Don.
As IT pros, we understand the technology we work with, but successful careers in IT involve much more than the technical aspects of knowing how to code, set up a server, or configure a router. So here are 5 concepts IT pros need to understand for success in their careers. Careers concept number 1. Our jobs are not about technology, they're about helping other people do their jobs. Oh, sure, we work in technology, and our jobs require a deep understanding of the technologies with which we work. Still, if we're not solving human problems in the workplace, what's the point of what we do? We may be masters of configuring access control lists or building apps, but if they don't serve people, there's no point to them. I love working with various aspects of technology, sometimes even to the point of distraction. Ultimately, however, the work which I perform must serve people. Careers concept number 2. We must stay up to date on technology. Even though our careers are built on service to people, technology is the main tool we use to provide that service. Technology advances at a mind-boggling pace. Bill Gates even referred to business at the speed of thought. The in-depth understanding we gain today, however, will be obsolete soon. Some of what we know today may be useful as a foundation for tomorrow's required knowledge, but much of today's knowledge will be useless in tomorrow's world. In our field, there's no room for anyone mired in yesterday's technology or culture or behaviors. Careers concept number 3. There's a difference between being honest and being rude. Authenticity has become a popular business buzzword recently. Authenticity, or candor, allows us to make informed decisions, to avoid repeating mistakes, and challenges our preconceived notions about how things work. Sometimes, however, those of us who work in technology forget that we're working with human beings, and we forget that authenticity must be combined with sensitivity. Argumentative people are off-putting and rude. They may win a few battles, but they'll lose the war as they lose the support of their colleagues. Conversely, it's important to stand up for ourselves or risk losing the respect of our colleagues, bosses, and our clients. Still, it is not necessary to put another person down in order to stand up for yourself. Choose your words carefully. To quote author Merrill Runyon, say what you mean what you say, and don't be mean when you say it. Careers concept number 4. When people like you, they'll go to bat for you. Now, perhaps you've heard people say they don't care if other people like them as long as they respect them. Well, while respect is certainly important, if people like you, they'll stand up for you and your ideas behind your back. In my training seminars, we often talk about whether we're creating advocates or detractors behind our backs. When people both respect and like you, they'll be more likely to be an advocate for you during hall conversations, in break rooms, and around the water cooler. Now, being likable doesn't necessarily mean you're gregarious and outgoing. It also doesn't mean you agree with everything other people say or believe. It could simply mean that people find you pleasant and easy to be around. The use of basic manners can go a long way toward helping people come over to your side. Be polite. Careers concept number 5. Patience is a virtue. It's an old saying, and it's true. Good things come to people who are willing to wait. Now, sometimes organizations move very slowly. If you work in government, for example, things can seem like they're moving at a snail's pace. Change can happen, however, given enough time. People and organizations, like morning traffic, often move much more slowly than we'd like. Be patient, be persistent, and your career will benefit.
For more ideas on how to improve communication and customer service skills in your IT organization, bring Don's one-day IT customer service training seminar on-site to your location for your group, small or large. Visit www.doncrowley.com for the course description and outline. Or pick up a copy of Don's IT customer service book, The Compassionate Geek, How Engineers, IT Pros, and Other Tech Specialists Can Master Human Relations Skills to Deliver Outstanding Customer Service. Available in Kindle and paperback editions through Amazon and other resellers. Now, once again, here's Don.
Our jobs in information systems and technology are not about technology. Our jobs are about helping our end users, our customers, our fellow humans work more productively, effectively, and creatively. Our jobs are about crafting creative technical solutions to perplexing human problems in the workplace. I'm Don Crowley. I'll see you next time.